Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to update your Borrowell email. If you don't have a Borrowell account, we will also put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just go to website borrowell.com. Once you are on the website, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on the button that says Log In. On the fields provided, enter your email address and password. Once the email address and password are entered, click on Log In. Now on this page, you will see your profile name at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile name. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Profile. Click on Profile. Then, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you will see a section that says Account Settings. Below Account Settings, you will see an option that says Update Email. Click on Update Email. Enter the new email you wish to use in the first field provided. Then, enter it again in the second field to confirm. Once the new email is entered, click on the button that says Update Email. That's how you update your email on Borrowell. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.